Hey everyone! Today, we've got a super challenging math quiz for you. These problems are going to really make you think. Write down how many you got correct, and while you're here, hit that subscribe button for more brain-bending fun. Let's go! 256 plus 99 equals? The answer is 355. What is 25% of 400? The answer is 100. 389 plus 121 equals? $510. If a shirt costs $20 and is on sale for 25% off, what is the sale price? $15. 25 times 9 equals? It's 225. 887 minus 223 equals? It's 664. If 6 bags of corn cost $12, how much would 12 bags of corn cost? $24. 556 plus 443 equals? It's $999. What is 25% of $800? The answer is $200. 11.4 plus 12.5 equals? $23.9. 22.8 minus 8.5 equals? $14.3. 777 plus 202 equals? It's $979. 102 plus 103 plus 111 equals? The answer is $316. $120 item is on 75% off. What's the sale price? $30. 36 times 8 equals? It's 288. 33.3 plus 11.5 equals? It's 44.8. 1212 plus 990 equals? The answer is 2202. 45.9 minus 12.3 equals? The answer is 33.6. 14 times 12 equals? It's 168. 665 plus 338 equals? It's 1003. 1003 plus 234 equals? $1237. What is 30% of $900? $270. 11.2 plus 12.3 plus 10.1 equals? $33.6. 120 divided by 8 equals? The answer is 15. 345 plus 101 plus 111 equals? The answer is 557. 2230 plus 632 equals? It's 2862. A phone costs $500. If the sales tax is 10%, what is the final price? It's $550. 707 plus 555 equals? $1262. 45 times 12 equals? It's 540. 20.9 plus 9.9 equals? 30.8. 203 plus 444 plus 101 equals? The answer is 748. What is 5% of 700? 35. 1702 plus 268 equals? $1970. 992 plus 919 equals? The answer is 1911. A train travels 270 miles in 3 hours. What is its average speed? 90 miles per hour. 30.7 plus 12.5 equals? The answer is 43.2. 1122 plus 667 equals? 1789. 90 times 8 equals? 720. 234 plus 166 minus 150 equals? It's 250. 2025 minus 1400 equals? The answer is 625. Phew, that was a workout for the brain. How many did you manage to crack? Share your results in the comments. And if you're up for more mathematical mayhem, hit that subscribe button for more quizzes. See you!